I want you to open your bank app right now. Go to last month and scroll through every transaction. Count every subscription charge you find. Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. That app you totally forgot existed. Most people guess they have 4 or 5. The real number is almost always double that. The average American pays $219 every month in subscriptions. That's 2,628 times, leaving your account silently every year. And most people underestimate their own total by 50%. Now here's the part that should actually scare you. Those charges are not just costing you $20 a month, they are quietly stealing your retirement dollar by dollar, and I can prove it with math you cannot argue with. My name is Joey. I study the financial traps that look completely harmless on the surface. Hit subscribe and like this video right now, because by the end, you will never see a free trial the same way again. Let me give this problem its real name first. It is called subscription creep, and it does not arrive all at once. One free trial here, one monthly add-on there. Netflix is $15. That is basically nothing, right? Spotify is $11. You use it every single day. Amazon Prime pays for itself in shipping anyway. Each one feels completely reasonable on its own, but your brain never adds them all up together. And that is not an accident. Every subscription company on earth has studied this. They know you will not cancel when the trial ends. They know small charges fly completely under your radar. They know friction is their single most powerful weapon. Canceling feels like work. Keeping it feels like nothing. So you keep it, month after month after month, and the money vanishes quietly in the background forever. Now here's the number most people never actually calculate. Stay with me here because this one matters a lot. Let's say you are 30 years old today. You are carrying $219 a month in subscriptions, totally average. Nothing extreme at all. What if you invested that same $219 every month instead into a basic index fund at 8% annual return? By the time you turn 65, guess what that becomes? $437,000 from canceling things you barely even use. But wait, it gets significantly worse than that. Most people underestimate their subscription total by 50%, so your real monthly number is probably closer to $300. Run that same math over 35 years at 8%. You are now looking at $600,000 sitting on the table. Start cutting in your late 20s instead of your 30s. That number crosses $1 million. From Netflix and Spotify and the gym you stopped attending. That is not an exaggeration or rounding up. That is just compound interest doing exactly what it does. Every dollar you waste in your 30s costs you $10 later. Read that again slowly. Every dollar wasted now costs you $10 in retirement. That rule should change how you see every single charge. If you are still watching, good, because this next part is critical. And it is the part most financial channels completely skip over. There are 4 psychological traps buried inside every subscription you own. Understanding them is how you actually break free for good. The first trap is called the sunk cost trap. You have already paid for 6 months of something. Canceling now feels like admitting you wasted that money. So you keep paying, hoping you will eventually use it more. You almost never do, but the charges keep coming anyway. The second trap is the low price illusion. $12.99 feels too small to take seriously. Your brain is literally wired to ignore small numbers. But $12.99 times 12 months is $155 every year. And you probably have 8 charges that look exactly like that. The third trap is simple forgetfulness. You signed up, got busy, and forgot it existed. The company never forgets though. Not once. Not ever. They are never going to remind you to cancel. That is simply never going to happen. The fourth trap is the one the industry counts on most. They engineered canceling to be deliberately painful. You have to call a number during business hours only, or navigate through 5 confusing menus designed to confuse you, or survive a retention specialist trained specifically to stop you. They offer a pause. They throw in 3 free months, anything to avoid losing your monthly payment permanently. A 2022 study by C+R Research confirmed exactly this. The average American wastes $133 monthly on subscriptions they never use, not rarely use, never use at all. That is $1,600 every year on pure, complete nothing. And that number has only gone up since then. Is this hitting close to home right now? It should. Drop a comment below with how many subscriptions you just counted. And keep watching, because what comes next is where it gets really interesting. Here's something the subscription industry will never tell you. They do not just rely on your forgetfulness to keep you paying. They rely on something much more powerful than that. They rely entirely on your optimism. You signed up for the gym because future you is definitely going. You got the meal kit because future you is definitely cooking more. You downloaded the language app because future you is learning Spanish. Future you is honestly a very impressive and ambitious person. But present you is the one actually paying the bills every month. And present you has been subsidizing future you's dreams for years now. This is not a discipline problem. This is a design problem. The entire subscription model is engineered around human optimism. It is built to monetize the gap between who you are and who you want to be. The fix is not becoming more disciplined or more organized. The fix is removing the decision from the equation entirely. Cancel it today. If future you genuinely needs it, future you can resubscribe. Future you will survive that minor inconvenience without any problem. Your retirement account absolutely cannot survive 35 years of optimism charges. Now here is the angle that will genuinely change how you think about this. The companies you subscribe to are investing your money better than you are. Think about that for a second. Spotify takes your $11 every single month. They grow their platform and return enormous value to their shareholders. Netflix takes your $15 faithfully month after month. Their stock has grown thousands of % since they launched. You funded that entire growth. You just never benefited from it. What if instead that money went into your own brokerage account? What if you were the one building wealth on those monthly payments? That is not a complicated shift. That is just redirecting the flow. They have been building wealth on your money for years. It is time you started doing the exact same thing for yourself. Here is exactly what to do after this video ends. Not someday, not this weekend, after this video. Step 1. Run a full 90-day subscription audit today. Open your bank statements right now and go back 90 days. Highlight every single recurring charge you find. Write down the total number. Write down the total cost. Most people feel genuine shock when they see the real list. Good. Use that shock. It is telling you something true. Step 2. Apply the usage test with brutal honesty. For every subscription on that list, ask one question only. Did I use this meaningfully in the last 30 days? Not once. Meaningfully. More than twice. If the honest answer is no, cancel it right now. Not pause. Not I will get to it next week. Cancel today. You can always come back if you genuinely miss it. You almost never will. That is just the truth. Step 3. Redirect every free dollar immediately and automatically. This is the step that most people skip, and it is the only one that matters. Do not let that freed money disappear into random daily spending. Set up an automatic investment transfer the exact same day you cancel. Whatever you cut, that exact amount moves to your investment account. Same day. Every month. Without you thinking about it again. That one habit, cancel and redirect automatically, is what builds real wealth. Canceling alone does absolutely nothing if you just spend it elsewhere. The automatic redirect is where the $1 million actually comes from. Let me show you the biggest picture before we wrap this up, because subscriptions are only the surface layer of the real problem. The deeper issue is what I call the invisible wealth drain. It is never one massive financial mistake that destroys your retirement. It is 15 small ones running simultaneously without you ever noticing. Subscriptions are one layer, but the exact same pattern is showing up everywhere else too. The insurance plan you have never compared against other options. The bank account quietly charging you monthly maintenance fees. The phone plan you have had for 4 years and never renegotiated once. Each one feels too small and too annoying to bother fixing. But combined, they are silently deciding what your retirement actually looks like. A Consumer Reports study found the average American overpays $5,000 every year on recurring expenses. Not occasionally, every single year without exception. Over a 30-year career, that is $150,000 never invested. At 8% compound growth, that becomes $600,000 you never built. This is the only real reason two people with identical salaries retire so differently. One person audited their life every year. The other person never did. That is genuinely the entire difference between them. Let me give you one final number before we close. I want this one to actually stay with you after you click away. The average American retires with $87,000 in total savings. Financial advisors say you need 25 times your annual expenses to retire comfortably. For most Americans, the target sits between $1.5 and $2 million. The gap between $87,000 and $1.5 million is not about income level. It is about the invisible decisions made consistently over 30 years. The subscriptions that nobody ever audited. The recurring charges that nobody ever questioned, the redirects that nobody ever actually set up. That entire gap was built one $14.99 charge at a time. And the most important thing I need you to hear right now, it is completely fixable right now. This week, not through some complicated investment strategy, not by earning significantly more money, by spending 45 minutes this Saturday going through your bank statements, by canceling everything that fails the usage test honestly, by setting up one single automatic transfer today. That is the whole plan. It is not exciting, but it works every time. Your 65-year-old self is going to retire on the decisions you make this week, not someday, this specific week. The subscription you canceled this Saturday, the automatic transfer you set up this afternoon. Those two decisions compound quietly into actual financial freedom. The math is completely clear. The path is completely clear. The only real question is whether you will actually move on it. If this made something genuinely click, smash the like button right now. Subscribe, because next week I am covering something even bigger. How health insurance is robbing 80% of Americans and nobody is talking about it. Not the premiums, not the deductibles, the hidden mechanism most people never see. That video is going to make you angry at a system you thought was protecting you. Share this with one person who has no idea how much they are really spending. They deserve to see this number before it is too late. I will see you in the next one.